Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So as you probably know by the title and thumbnail, well, I have installed a flag. Of course, the American flag. Well, there's no other flags other than the Southern flag that'd be usable for this. But yeah, I put it behind the seat. Reason being, okay, well, two reasons. One, I've already got two little holes drilled for a slow moving emblem, but because it's behind the seat, if I were to put anywhere else, first of all, it would be kind of weird looking. Second off, it would flop in the wind like crazy when I drive because of how small the flag is. And if I did that, it wouldn't last as long. You can see it was blown in the wind for like a week and it's starting to delaminate a little. And I'm going to keep a nice flag on there, obviously, because it's the American flag. Might occasionally do a rebel flag or Confederate flag, but yeah. Just for now, that's what I'm going to do. I went back in just barely in the woods here, so I'd be in the shade a little because, well, it feels about like it's 100 degrees out and it's humid, so, you know. I mean, that's basically all I've done to it. If y'all didn't see in the last video, I'm sure you did, but I got this reflector, got these two factory reflectors. We got, if you look here, one right here, one right here. Obviously for, you know, if I ever take it to the end of the road or around town or whatever, you know. Headlights, they're nice and bright at night. They're halogen. I want to get LED. Trying to think of anything else I need to do to it. I mean, I obviously want a seat cover. I mean, it needs to be the rear fenders and the main belly pan right here. That pan and that pan need to be repainted by a professional with actual paint guns and sandblasters that work and, you know, big stuff. I guess that. And I decided I'm not going to lift it in the front. Obviously, if I'm not doing the front, I'm not doing the back. Here's why. Look, if I lift it, I need bigger tires. Can't really get bigger tires from the factory. You can't fit a finger through there. You can't. And if I lift it, it's not going to give any more space there because the tie rod moves with the tire. So I'd have to limit my left steering by about like that much right there movement, which is not much, from like there to like there, which that's actually quite a bit. The other side, there's no tie rod. It's got one that goes behind the axle, so I'd be good there. But I'm just not going to do that. I might get a different style of tread. Like I might go with like rib tires or tractor tires on the front. I'm not going to keep turf tires. I'll keep them until these wear out. On the back, we're going to get 24-12-12s. The tread will be sticking out to about where the white is. Tread, and then be like another 1/4 inch of like the sidewall. Oh, I don't know. They're wider, so we'll probably get them out to about like right here to the outside of my finger. And they'll be the tractor tread. So those will look good. And they'll also be the tire will be wider, so it's in another inch. So that'll look good. Yeah, I just need to get a new seat, or seat cover. I'm not getting a new seat. A new seat's like $800. Stupid. I'm going to get a seat cover. I want to get new tires, seat cover. I do want to eventually fix this little, I don't know what in the crap. It looks like someone was drilling something. They put it over the mower to drill. I want to actually mount the temp gauge. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, good Lord. Yeah, this bottom piece of the grill needs to be replaced. It just popped off when I was opening the hood one time. It needs to be replaced. You need to clean the inside of the wheels good. Purple Power. I think that's about it. I mean, this, I want to really see if I can buff that out. I cannot get this wax out of here because it got texture. So I want to take this off and paint it black. I don't care about, I just want to take it off, paint it black. Just got to take the shift knob off, then got a couple screws under here. Pop those off, and you know. Let's see. I think I want to take off these stickers when this gets repainted. I can repaint this pan. I'm gonna see what's in the way. I'm gonna repaint this belly pan myself. I'm not gonna put the stickers back on. I really don't care for them. I might put my own stickers there, but yeah, I'll repaint that. This back here, this big pan needs to be repainted by a professional. I'm not putting any stickers back on, but I mean, I could do it myself, but this piece is so big that it needs to last like 20 years or whatever, 40 years even. So I'll get that repainted by my buddy Matt McHenry. He does great body work. Foothills Restorations, I think, is his company. I'm not sure. And then let's see. There's something else. Oh, I'm gonna take this off too. I'm not gonna put this back on when I repaint that. Oh yes, and I was wondering, what would y'all think about like almost like not Scotch Brite, but like a rough plastic material, like almost like truck bed liner, but rougher over this. I mean, something to think about. But like in green, like almost like AstroTurf, but plastic, like a plastic AstroTurf. But I'll paint it John Deere green. Like I'll put it on, then I'll shoot John Deere green over it. You know, to give it like add a little texture. What do y'all think? Or should I just keep it like this? I don't know. And also I want to change out like these little knobs here and stuff. See, that's got play. I need to tighten that up. But I want to replace this with like a chrome knob or something. I want to replace, this with like something chrome. And then, I want to do diamond plate accents here and there. Little things like that would just make it look way better in my opinion. Yeah, I mean, basically all I can think of. I want to get a light bar or something, maybe. I don't know where I'd put it, but I need to get like a little light bar. Then on the back, I'm thinking of lights. I want to replace these reflectors with like actual turn signals and brake. I want to do maybe like if I can find. I'm either going to do brake lights or turn signals. Yeah. Then also I want to repaint this this seat here, the black part. I want to repaint. Well, I need to repaint it to stop the rust. Yeah. If you guys know anything, or if y'all know anything else I need to do to this, let me know and I'll do it. See you guys in the next one.